The best tips for choosing life insurance. It can either be a hassle or a relief when it comes life insurance. This video will provide you with valuable information that will enable you to choose the right policy for your needs without having to pay too much. Life insurance should be purchased when you are young. If you're younger and in good health, you'll be able to lock in a great rate throughout the term of your policy. As an older person becomes more dangerous, the insurance company will charge more and may deny coverage. Don't ever lie on a life insurance policy application. Although it may seem tempting to lie about not smoking, it could lead to your insurance coverage being cancelled. You can tell the truth, and you should shop around to find the best price. Be sure to listen to what your agents and advisors have to say. It is possible to disregard the advice of rating agencies if you are being advised by someone. Compare your group life insurance to other policies. Although group life policies are usually offered by your employer, they may not always be the most cost-effective. Rates are based upon averages. This means that you may have a lower rate if your health or age is higher than the average. If you are in excellent health, you should shop around to find better rates. Many people look online for life insurance to find out more about the various types and which policy would best suit them. Insurance companies and internet marketers may post a lot of information that could lead you to the most profitable policy. Try to conduct your research on unbiased websites such as Publications USA.gov, which is hosted by the Federal Citizen Information Center, a U.S. government service, or AARP.org, a non-profit organization catering to people over 50 years of age. Decreasing term life insurance will allow you to save money all through the life of your policy. This is because it is used to augment your investments in the event that they are less than a set amount. Your investments will increase and your monthly premiums are likely to decrease. Keep these things in mind when you are purchasing life insurance policies. Make sure to read the entire document carefully. Double-check everything to be sure you understand it all. Keep a duplicate of any sales materials you were given, and also a completed application. Once you have the policy contract, it will be possible to compare it to what was originally presented to you. It is important to ask hard questions when buying life insurance. Don't be afraid of asking specific questions. What happens if the premiums go up with age? Are there any comparable products that provide similar coverage for less? What's your commission if you purchase this product? You should consider whole life insurance if you're considering it. Although this insurance is more costly, it will protect your entire life. Even if your life expectancy is 100, you'll still be covered to support your family after your death. A term life policy is only valid for a set period of time and will expire at some point. A term life policy can be more affordable and less expensive than a whole life insurance policy. Remember that life insurance is not meant to be an investment, but protection. Term insurance offers protection but does not include a savings component. Therefore, it is generally less expensive than whole and universal life insurance policies. Term insurance is almost always more affordable. Don't allow yourself to lie or hide information in your application for insurance. If you have medical concerns or any other potential rate risers, your company may investigate. You can have your policy canceled or rescinded if they discover the truth. Don't immediately agree to the first offer, especially in the initial meeting. Without properly understanding your needs, agents can't recommend the best policy. There are many options for policies and rates, as well as many other factors that should be considered when making a decision. Instead of having to purchase two separate life policies for your spouse, consider getting survivorship life insurance. No matter who dies first, the surviving spouse will still be able to keep the entire assets. And this type insurance is far less expensive than two separate policies. Consider if your activities are considered to be dangerous. You can expect life insurance companies to increase your premiums if you take part in dangerous activities, such as scuba diving. These risks make you more likely to drown. You should look for a term life insurance policy with a decreasing premium. This policy will provide protection for your investments in case something happens before you reach a certain amount. This policy is a great option for people who are looking to save money. Although life insurance isn't brain surgery, there's a few things you need to keep in your mind as you shop for a policy. When looking for life insurance, be sure to do your homework and ask questions. This will help you and your family avoid major headaches. The tips you have read will make it easier to find the right policy.